Hello everyone, this is Yadagiri Reddy. Welcome to my channel FlaUI Tutorials. If you are interested in learning more about automation testing with different programming languages and tools, please visit my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it right now and press the bell icon to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. In this video, I will explain about what is FlaUI. FlaUI is a .NET based library which helps in automating Windows based applications. It is an open source library. It is not a licensed version. FlaUI wraps almost all of the controls available in the Microsoft UI automation libraries. So that means it is a kind of wrapper around Microsoft UI automation libraries. So you may have a doubt, what if some special functionality is not available in FlaUI? So in that case, you can always use native objects and implement the functionality. So to achieve this, FlaUI is also providing native objects, so you don't have to worry about it. In case if some functionality is missing in FlaUI, you can design or develop functionality. So FlaUI is providing you that feature also. So on overall point, FlaUI wraps almost all the functionalities from the Microsoft UI automation libraries. If something is missing, it allows the user to implement the functionalities using native objects. So it provides the native object support also. So with this FlaUI, we can automate Windows 32, WinForms, WPF, Windows Store applications, etc. These all kind of Windows based applications can be automated using FlaUI. So we all know that Microsoft UI automation framework is providing three libraries, that is MSAA, UIA2 and UIA3. So we have already discussed about that in the earlier video. So how many libraries does FlaUI provides? FlaUI provides three libraries. First one is flaui.core, next flaui.uia2, next flaui.uia3. So flaui.core is a mandatory library that holds Microsoft UI automation core functionalities, and UIA2 and UIA3 are implemented based on the Microsoft UI automation UIA2 and UIA3 libraries. So as you know, UIA2 will provide good support for Windows 32 and WinForm applications. As well, UIA3 will be providing good support for WPF and Windows Store applications. As per our need, we can use the specific library. For example, in case if I wanted to automate Win32 applications, I can only import flaui.core and flaui.uia2. I don't have to import flaui.uia3. So in case if I am dealing with WPF application, then I can go ahead and import flaui.core and flaui.uia3 libraries. So depends on the application type, the user can choose the libraries, and it is also allowed that user can import flaui.core, UIA2 and UIA3, all these three libraries into the project. So depends on your application type, you can choose the libraries. That's it guys. I hope you enjoy this session. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.